Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to do CapCut masking. Here are two basic methods to do masking in CapCut. First method is masking with shapes. So first, open CapCut and create new project by tapping New Project. Import the video or image you want to mask. Tap on it, then hit Add. Tap Overlay and add a second video or image to layer over the original, then tap on Add. Choose the overlay clip and tap Mask from the toolbar at the bottom. Choose a mask shape. Choose a shape, for example, circle, rectangle, and heart from the options. So I choose rectangle. Adjust its size, position, and rotation by dragging or pinching the mask. Feather the edges. Use the feather slider to soften the edges of the mask for a smoother blend. Finalize the mask. Tap the check mark to apply the mask, then adjust the overlay's position on the timeline if needed. Next method, freehand masking. Start a new project and import the video by tapping on Video and hit on Add. Tap Overlay, then tap on Add Overlay, then choose your preferred video, then hit Add to add the video or image you want to mask. Now, choose the overlaid video and tap Mask from the toolbar. Choose the shape of your mask, then tap on the check mark on the bottom right corner. Drag the control lines, then choose the split option to create a custom mask that divides the clip. Animate the mask. Tap the keyframe icon to animate the mask, allowing it to move or change over time. For example, I'll make this mask bigger by expanding the mask. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.